Okay, guys. So I also gave you a spreadsheet paper to look at. I'm going to go through the same thing so you know how to answer it. So you're prepared for tomorrow's class. Again, I'm using the phone, so sorry for the shaky camera work. Right. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet shows number of workers in various sectors of the economy whose ages range from 20 to 60. Now, you know, one of my issues with you guys is that you don't read the question. You'll have to take the time and read. Don't rush it. You make more errors when you rush through. Now we have our spreadsheet. Notice there's age groups, so we see ages here. We see sectors here and different values. Okay, then I see total. I guess this means total sector or total for the sector in all the age groups. Percentages, total age. So what I did is I took time to analyze what I'm seeing in front of me. Then I'm going to go to the questions. The formula equal F3 slash $F $9 was entered into cell G3. Okay, so G3 is this one here, right? Just seeing this $, a few things should flash into your mind. We know about this $, that's absolute addressing. Okay, this is a formula. This is division. We know these things. So the answer to the first one, which was given to you in class, is what type of cell referencing was used? Absolute. Oops, two S's, one L. Absolute addressing. Right. Explain why this type of cell referencing was used. No, we did this in class. No one could explain this to me. Why is this used? It is used for a constant value in similar formulas. All right. Identified by the $. Okay. All right. Next question. Pie chart is being created. All right. Each sector slice of the pie chart will represent the total number of workers in the various age groups and also indicate the name of the age group. State the data range and the category labels range to be used in the creation of the pie chart. So they want two things here. State, right? State, this is what they actually want. State the data range, and then they want the category labels range. Okay, but they want it for the pie chart. So we need to figure out what is it in the pie chart. So pie chart will represent, so I go back and I read over. I don't have the answer, so I need to read over. A pie chart will represent the total number of workers in the various age groups. Also indicate the name of the age group. All right, so they want data range, which would be all the numbers to make up the graph. And then they want a category labels range. So category labels, they want to know like the table headings. So let's see. Data range. That's one thing they want to know. And category labels range. Second thing they want to know, right? Okay, data range. So they want total number of workers. So if I go back to my spreadsheet, total number of workers, okay, here it is. But in various age groups. So it's not this I want, not the total sector here. They want the age group. So the totals for the age group. So they want here, they want this, right? They want all of this. They also want to indicate the name of the age group. So they also want the sector. Okay, so they want my data starts from here. My data will start from here and go all the way to the last cell, which is here. So my data is from A3, right? And last one here is E, what's that? 8. So A3 colon E8. Categories labeled. So I want my table headings now. So I want my A2 So my last one here is E2. Right? Good. Next. Write the functions to find the following. Average of sector tools. Again, guys, I was disappointed with this one. You'll have your notes. Not using your notes. Let's go. Come on. Equal. Always start with the equal. Average. That is the function name for average. All right, so now we need to have a range. So I'm putting my brackets. I have to figure that out. Okay, so average of sector totals. I'm rereading the question. Then I go to my spreadsheet. Average of what is it? Average of sector totals. So I have my total of the sector here. So I want the average of this. So let me see. Oh, wait, hold on. The last one is total age. So I don't want this one. I want all of these. So this is what? F3, yeah. And this one is F8. So back to my function, F3 colon F8, right? Next one, the maximum of age group totals equal max, that's my function, and I need a range. Maximum of age group totals. So total age, I'm looking at this one here. And again, not this last one, right? So I'm just looking at this set here. So I'm looking at this first cell, which would be B9. Last one here is E9, okay? B9 colon E9, right? In the brackets. Okay, last question. Looking at the age group, the title age group. So let me see, right. Looking at the title age group, what feature is used here? Now, if you look at the table here, they have the lines indicating the different cells. But where age group is, it looks like one big cell because it is. The feature is merge and center. We can see it looks bold too, which is fine. But the main feature that they want you to identify is merge and center. Explain the steps you would take to type. So they're pretending like it has not been typed yet. And then format. Okay, age group as shown. So first step though, we're pretending that we now typing in. So if you look at the beginning of the cell that they are in, normally I would tell you type in A1, but look at the cell. The cell is here. Let me draw this next one. Cell is this, right? So that's B1 to E1. Okay, so you'd have to click in the first cell. Click and type age group in cell. I'm not going to stop there though. I'm going to be specific. Which cell is it? B1. You have to look back at the question. You just don't give general answers. Next, so I click in a cell, I type, then I have to highlight the range. So my range is, what did I say? B1 to E1. Highlight range B1 colon E1, right? Be specific. Next, click on merge and center from home tab. I'm saying where got merged and center from. I'm just not assuming, right? Next, what's after that? That's it. And that's the answer.